that you kept your Final Four hopes alive?
We're just happy to be still alive. No, we made it clear in the dugout that if we want to live another day, then we have really no choice but to win the game. I think from their end, Salazar, it's the same mentality that they have, not because they're playing still UP. So this is the game that they would want to win. So sabi namin, in the end, it will just boil down to whoever wants it more. No, again, it wasn't a perfect game. There were moments in the game that we weren't doing our part. We allowed them to get rebounds. We allowed them to be first on the ball. No, but towards the end, no, we made stops. We got the rebounds that we needed. No, si Mati, si Monty, nung huli, kahit mas maliliit sila, they really battled it against those bigger players of LaSalle. No, and in the end, muntik pa nga, sabi ni Cedric, na muntikan pa tayo. But we're happy. We're thankful to the Lord for allowing us to taste victory today, despite that third quarter barrage.
Thank you, Coach. To said, yeah, 15 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal. Intense ang laro. Talagang hindi talaga bumita. Pero hindi kayo bumita hanggang dulo. So ano masasabi mo na yun nga, may pag-asa pa kayo makarating sa Final Four? Okay, say.
Siguro thankful kami kasi siyempre may chance pa kami na makapasok sa Final Four. I mean, sa amin, hawak namin yung parang sitwasyon na hindi kami umaasa sa ibang team na matalo sila. So, masaya kami kasi may chance kami.
Thank you to Nadia, 18 points, 5 assists, 1 rebound. So, eto nga, may chance pa kayo na makapwesto sa Final Four. So, ano yung mindset mo personally para yun nga, magkaroon pa kayo ng buhay na makarating sa top 4?
Siguro, grab lang namin yung opportunity na to kasi past 3 years po ata yun yung parang gusto namin na place na yung playoffs. So, in my one game pa, hindi pa tapos. Bigyan lang namin.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, the past few losses, parang medyo similar yung back and forth, titgitan. What do you think changed from your players na, kumbaga, nabago niyo yung resulta this time around?
We made the right place when we needed it the most. No? So we made stops. We converted on. Actually, those were tough shots. No, yung dalawa ni Monty. No, I remember when we lost to NU, Mati missed that free throw, no, which we could have won the game. But we never talked about it, no, Mati, no, we never talked about it. But kanina na technical yata sila, or we had a chance to put him in the free throw line. Na-shot niya na. Right? So, obviously, nakalimutan niya na yun. He's already over that. So, and that's the beauty of the sport. Hindi lang basketball, no? Whatever happens previously, you win, you lose, you have a good game, you have a bad game. Diba? The next day, fresh ulit yan. So, today, we did our part. Our players did their part. Kaya siguro kami, siguro yung nagbago.